Hey, happy April 2nd, and it's election day, and this is for the earth element. Now, I left off the fire element, if you're listening to all four, with a visualization from our raw material. I hope you can get a focus on that. And it's co-founded, well, it's co-founded ourrawmaterial.com by Tavish Cardiff and I. We co-founded together Our Raw Material, and you're an earth sign. So material you get the physical world. Now the visualization is you're standing in the middle of 12 pillars. Stonehenge works. I like some stuff in the Yucatan Peninsula. But the point is just breathe, set your intention to be open, because as the earth element, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, you're more likely to identify with the body, with the physical body, and that individual experience and how it feels within the body. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let me repeat, your identification with the physical world and all of its pleasures and all of its hardships and all of its money and ambitions and all of that, that's what you're basically here to learn, particularly if your sun sign is in Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So red pill, blue pill, you're more likely to take the blue pill of let's stay in the illusion, because it's like you don't know what's behind that illusion. So what would I say to the earth signs for this solar eclipse? First of all, get some eclipse glasses because you're practical AF, right? But the point is, as a Taurus for this eclipse, with your ruler Venus being in Aries and the eclipse being in Aries, Aries is the 12th house of multidimensionality to you. It's the space where you may suppress your anger, your frustration, only to erupt in disproportion to what ticked you off, particularly if you're hungry. Um, or uncomfortable physically in some ways. So we can go back to, 19 years, '05, '86, '67, and go about 18 months in there around those dates. And you can see themes around your ability to be individualized, being pioneering, being majestic, but at the same time not projecting your values as superior to others. And Virgo, with your ruler Mercury being in retrograde and your other ruler Ceres being in Capricorn. So you've got these two cardinal Aries and Capricorn rulers, Virgo. One is propelling you to act, act, act. And the retrograde is saying, no, let's pause. Let's not come out of fear. Let's just be cautious. So citrine is an excellent stone, as any integration of sunstone or yellows and oranges. Those blends will really help you, Virgo, do some incredible self healing, because you're all about healing, right? And if we're using a Matrix metaphor, the Matrix starred Keanu Reeves, who is a Virgo, right? So that Virgo Pisces, that Savior Christ energy that he had going on with those movies, yeah, you can be into all of that. I call you the Mary Martha tune or story. So that sacred aspect of Mary and the inner truths and inner treasures, but Martha was doing the housework. Not Martha Stewart, but you get the point. Both are integrated. And so this eclipse is about you integrating your physical needs with your spiritual and emotional ones, for sure. And then last and certainly not least is the initiating Capricorn, which your identification with the body tends to come through career, much like Virgo too. And so with Saturn being in Pisces, you're asked to really integrate your mystical side, because you have it, because you're the mountain goat, yes, but you also have this dolphin, frolicking, lusty satyr side, if we want to get into all of that. And who doesn't? And when you start to put your daddy or your mommy energies in, you can be quite beguiling, and you can handle us, right? But this eclipse is about your ability to tend to your private life. Family must come first. Chosen family, too. All right? So, remember the visualization, our raw material, being able to subscribe to this channel, or belief is not required, subscribe to our raw material. uh, YouTube channel as well. And I will be at the Mystic Fair in Stony Brook this Saturday and Sunday, April 6th and 7th, doing eclipse reads using the cards and maybe even some I Ching. But thanks for listening. You guys hang in there and realize that the physical and spiritual worlds, the visible and visible, visible and invisible, are really one world.